Hello students, now we'll see application of triple integration. So main application of triple integration is to find volume of a solid, and the formula of volume is equal to triple integration dx dy dz. In polar coordinates, this value is triple integration r square sine theta into dr d theta d phi, and in cylindrical coordinates this answer is triple integration rho d phi into dz. Now let's see examples. So you can see that formula is very simple. Triple integration of dx dy dz. Function is equal to 1 into dx dy dz. So let's see the example. Example number 1. Find the volume of cylinder x square plus y square equal to 2ax intercepted between paraboloid x square plus y square equal to 2az and xy plane. So in calculation of volume, since function is not given, means function is equal to 1 and that is a constant, and therefore first we'll go with eliminating z variable, and so that the integration will be reduced to double integration. So let's try to eliminate z variable by using this given conditions. Now the given condition, you can see that xy plane is given to us. So xy plane means z equal to 0. And this paraboloid x square plus y square equal to 2az. So z will becomes x square plus y square upon 2a, and that are the limits. Xy plane means z equal to 0 and this z equal to x square plus y square upon 2a. So it is very important to eliminate z variable first. These are the limits. Now v is equal to triple integration dx dy dz. We have calculated limits for z, so put that limits z equal to 0 to x square plus y square upon 2a into dz. First we have to integrate with respect to z into dx dy. So you can see this integration of dz is z, upper limit minus lower limit. So x square plus y square upon 2a minus lower limit is 0. So this will give us double integration of x square plus y square upon 2a dx dy. Now this region R in terms of double integration. So use the another condition given to us in the example, and that is cylinder x square plus y square equal to 2ax. Now this cylinder in 2 dimension, its reflection in 2 dimension you have to take. So reflection of the cylinder in 2 dimension becomes a circle. So x square plus y square equal to 2ax is nothing but circle with center at a comma 0. So you can see this r square equal to 2a r cos theta. After substituting value of x as r cos theta, so it will give us r equal to 2a cos theta. So we'll convert this into polar, and that's why we have taken this surface as r is equal to 2a cos theta, which represents a circle with center at a comma 0. So you can see the diagram. R equal to 2a cos theta, circle with center at a comma 0 and radius a. Now we'll find limits for r and theta of this circle. So you can see, take a radial strip. R is from 0 to this end of the radial strip lying on the circle. So r equal to 2a cos theta. This is the equation of circle. So limits of r 0 to 2a cos theta, and limit for theta, you can see that due to symmetry we can write the limits as 2 times 0 to pi by 2. Actually the limits are minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. You can see this circle, but due to symmetry we will divide this as 2 times 0 to pi by 2. So theta limits are 2 times 0 to pi by 2. So this volume will becomes, this is double integration over the region R, x square plus y square upon 2a into dx dy. After converting this to polar, we'll get 2 times r limits 0 to 2a cos theta and theta limits 0 to pi by 2. X square plus y square is r square, dx dy is r dr d theta upon 2a. So this 2 will get cancelled, 1 upon a taken outside. Theta is from 0 to pi by 2. R is from 0 to 2a cos theta. Since r is function of theta, we'll first integrate with respect to r. So this function is r cube into dr within this 0 to 2a cos theta. Integration of r cube is r raised to 4 by 4, 0 to 2a cos theta. So substitution of the limit, upper limit is 2a cos theta raised to 4. So that will becomes 16a raised to 4 cos raised to 4 theta minus lower limit is 0 times d theta. So I have simplified this function. 16a raised to 4 taken outside upon this 4a, 4 is taken outside. So into integration theta equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4 theta d theta. So simplification of this is 4a cube, and use the reduction formula to find this answer of integration cos raised to 4 theta within limit 0 to pi by 2. And you can see the answer 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. And simplifying this, 4 will get cancelled out. Final answer is 3 pi a cube by 4. So the procedure is a simple one. First you have to eliminate z variable using this given conditions. So xy plane z equal to 0, and by using this z is equal to x square plus y square by 2a. First integrate with respect to z, and then this will be circle. So use the polar coordinates to find further answer. Now let's see second example. Find volume of tetrahedron bounded by coordinate planes and the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Now coordinate planes means x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0, and the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Now formula of volume is v equal to triple integration of dx dy dz, and the coordinate planes along with this plane. Now here we'll use Dirichlet's theorem. So x by a will call this as u, y by b v, and z by c will call this as w. So the substitution is x by a equal to u, y by b equal to v, and z by c equal to w. X is equal to au, y equal to bv, z equal to cw, and therefore dx will be a du, dy will be b dv, and dz is equal to c into dw. Very simple one. And now the plane becomes u plus v plus w equal to 1, and x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and z equal to 0. And therefore volume is equal to triple integration of this dx dy dz. So I have substituted value of dx dy dz, which is a du, b dv, and c dw. So a, b, c are constant. Taking it outside the integration, triple integration of du, dv, dw. And that is nothing but u raised to 1 minus 1, because u raised to 0, v raised to 0, and w raised to 0 into du, dv, dw. So this is equal to ABC gamma of 1 and gamma of 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. These are LMN, they are 1, and therefore the answer will be ABC. Gamma 1 is 1 divided by gamma of 4. So ABC upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. So volume of this tetrahedron is ABC divided by 6. So example is very simple. Just remember this as a formula. Whenever volume of tetrahedron is asked to you, which is bounded by coordinate planes and the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1, answer is ABC divided by 6. Now see second example. Find volume of tetrahedron bounded by coordinate planes and the plane x plus y plus z equal to 1. So this is the general example, and this is the particular case of this general example where a, b, c are 1. X by 1, y by 1, and z by 1. So a, b, c is equal to 1 in this example. So volume will become ABC divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. So actually in the exam you are going to write all this procedure. Just remember this as a formula. ABC divided by 6. Here ABC values are 1. Therefore answer is 1 by 6. Similarly, if the question is find volume of tetrahedron bounded by coordinate planes and the plane x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 equal to 1, then the answer is ABC divided by 6. You can see the values of ABC are 2, 3, 4 respectively, and therefore 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24 divided by 6, answer will be 4.